Today I thought it would be a fun idea to take a look inside my everyday carry for crafts. This is a so-called Marsma, which is a Sami crafts tool bag. Let's open it up and see what's inside. On the inside there's a small pocket where you can keep a pair of scissors or something else of your choice. And here I have gathered the needles that I use the most for all kinds of projects. I also have a couple of pins that can come in handy, and a couple of safety pins. The bag has two pockets, one bigger pocket and a smaller one. Let's take a look inside and see what fits inside this little bag. A pair of embroidery scissors, some golden thread. I use golden thread quite often in my work, so this is a good way to ensure that I always have some with me wherever I go. A piercing tool for my bookbinding projects, etc. And this little crochet hook is used for a crochet technique called slip stitch crochet. A tool for needle binding. And I also had a spare one, so I created a small crochet hook so that I can ensure that I always can be able to crochet wherever I am. And last I have a spare pair of scissors that also fit neatly inside the little pocket that I showed you earlier. Inside the smaller pocket I keep my thread. Here I have some scrap wool and some linen thread that can come in handy, both in embroidery projects and bookbinding projects, and some cotton thread as well. I also have this beautiful bobbin lace because I want to do something, but I don't know what to create with it yet. But I figured that if I carry it around, maybe I can come up with an idea. This is what I have in my everyday carry. If you have any suggestions on what I should add to it, let me know in the comments. This is such a handy little bag, and you know that you always have your craft supplies at hand. And it is also a super fun project to create this little Marsma bag. So I encourage you to watch the tutorial next if you want to create one for yourself.